1/15/2021. Yes, it's 2 o'clock Eastern Time. We have Google 3-minute chart. We identified buying the put options to take this side of the trend down. Then, once again, for several weeks, it's always the 1690 calls when it comes down, and then they walk it up. That has been the trade on the bottom end, is that 1690. And this is all intraday. And so you got pure mathematics is mathematics in Panther Quant here, don't lie. Each line is $2.59. We went 13.85 teenies times 259 and dollars 35.91, and the range of the equity is 35.91. 100% accurate. OptionTradingRoom.com is on standby with the alerts to take the trades this way using the put options. As a master we are, and then the call options on the low bottom is the 1690s, and it's been that way for the last 2 months. And every time that we get to the top end and we make all the money on the reversals, those 1690 calls, they pay, and they pay every time off of the bottom, and they do. And it's options expiration Friday today. Here we have the 1690 calls that expire on the 29th, and they do. And I will also show you the ones that we trade those, but we also trade today's expiration. And the 1690s were the ones that paid. And how to trade options expiration Friday with Google. Now, 49.90 was the high, but now they're at 52.20 by 56.10. I can see all the players. Option Trading Room is waiting on you. You get to see the whole market, all the ECNs. The retail traders really don't have all of this. And you can see the bid and ask. The low is $41. Right now, they're bidding at 52.20 by 56.10. Yes, they are. That means that with Panther, when we made the same money going down and then the same money going up the ladder, mathematically, Panther Quant is 100% right. We would love to walk you through the trades live and get to know you in Option Trading Room. And we would. And you would be fair to yourself to go ahead and accept this invite so that you can see the mathematics working and the option trades working. And the diamonds are algorithms, and they are. And we track theirs. They can't escape us. But once again, options trading Friday, expiration Friday. Look, let's go back to this now. Okay, so 1690 calls when we hit the lows right here, and we did 1690 calls have acted out every time 100% over the last 45 days. Every time we get down to that low end of that channel, that algorithm kicks in, and this is how we let the application work for us. And it guides us mathematically both ways. OptionTradingRoom.com, options expiration Friday, 1690 call, low, wholesale entry, $41. You take your $10, did 5 contracts, you made $5,000. Or if you did 1 contract, you may look at the bid and the ask, 52 by 57. And another thing, people don't know how to get out, but let me just tell you, these expire today, and this was the trade. So when we hit the bottom, they took all of the premium out to $41 on the 1690 call that expired today. how nice it was getting the entries down here. And now you have a $52 by 57.10. And then when you pull up Panther Quant, we have a 92 IR. What does that mean? It means that that top is strong and it guides you. Each line is $2.59. And it's 100% correct, mathematically speaking, because we just went from the bottom here, one, two, there's the third script, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh would be right there. That would be 17s times 259 to the penny. Yes, you heard me, to the penny. And of course, they change every day. So when you take those values like that and you're at the top and you have a 92 IR and each line is 2.59 mathematically, 100% correct. And you owe it to yourself 1711 on the bottom to 1743 at the moment by 75 by 44. That's $3 short. So what do you do on an options expiration Friday? It's very simple. You sell into what? The mathematical equations. And we will do all that for you in Option Trading Room. Oh, yeah, we'll have lots of fun. Yeah. And you will get to go through the options trading the way that option trading really is. Not the kind of stuff you're doing. No. This is the way. And you got 5210 by 57. And people don't know how to get out. We are direct access to the market, meaning there's no middleman. And we will teach you and set you up so that you can learn how to work the market instead of being worked by the market, and knowing how to get out and knowing when to sell mathematically. And this is the time to exit the trade. And we're doing it live. Okay? Last print of the day, because people are scared. They don't know how to trade options expiration Friday. The last print, $41, which was the low of the day, and that was us. And yes, we can convert it, but yeah, there'll be some more prints, and there'll be us. But nonetheless, knowing when to exit, knowing when the turn will happen, mathematically both directions, when this drops, that price drops, and the price drops here. So let's get this back here. When, it's very simple, when the prices like this do what they're going to do, and we're going to make it very simple. All right, here's that IR 86. When that goes down in value, these drop and these drop. There is going to be no mathematical lag at all. Now, because of that, Panther Quant, which is the algorithm to the option pit, you get to join us in Option Trading Room. Yes, you do. And you owe it to yourself. People don't know what to do when they're that wide. That's a $7 spread. We know how to manipulate them using our proprietary algorithmic applications to execute orders that you can't execute on the exits or knowing when to sell. Sound familiar to everyone watching the video? Okay, you're watching the video and this is live market. So all you have to do now is join us. There's a link in the video here. Click on it, sign up. We'll go through the market hours. It'll be like this. It's Options Expiration Friday. And how to trade Google 1690 call. When that IR drops, the price drops here and here. And we are in control of this market here. Once again, it's a privilege. Options expiration Friday. Panther Quant is in action. These are the options 1690 calls. Yes, they are. Knowing how to trade them right down to the closing bell. And we're very good at it. And we would love to share that with you.